Ngibingelele ngiphinde ngamukela abaqalayo ukuba kwiMalusi TV bese bengakhohlwa ukucindezela u-subscribe button.
Grows, and with time I realized it's painful. I can't be talking a lot. So I said, well, I said this day is the day. I can't say, sorry, I'm no longer there. I had to come and say what I think needed to be said. But I said, well, to me, I'm blessed. I've got brothers, I've got sisters, I've got daughters, I've got everything. So I chose one of my daughters to speak on my behalf. Say what I thought I wanted to say today. Then at the end, I will just say a few words, which I think are necessary for the country to go well. Just small voices. And then I said, well, there are people who always say there's question and answer. Why? When they've heard you, they say, no, they're very fond of asking questions. And I'm very fond of answering questions, fortunately. But for today, I will only take between 3 and 5 questions, if they are serious. If they are not serious questions, sorry. I will say so sorry. It will be better. And then I will also tell you a little story about me since I left government. Some of the things that only they know. And then talk about why I'm going to answer a few questions. From January to the date, I will be in your hands. I will answer all your questions. And therefore don't say, it's not wanting to talk, no. He's so cool. I'm going to talk about elections. About elections. Are we right? So, I will then hand over to my daughter here to say a few words that I wanted to say, and then just make my throat rest, because I'm going to use it greatly in the few months that are coming. Thank you very much.
International media. The African National Congress, the oldest liberation movement in the African continent, is globally recognized as one of the greatest liberation movements of our time. It was the mighty force that led the struggle for freedom against one of the most evil and cruel regimes, and inspired many liberation movements in the continent and beyond. This organization was established by great leaders who are regarded as forward thinkers and brave pioneers of this country. The objective was clear. It was to liberate the Black people and the Africans in particular, transform their lives, and also establish South Africa that equally belongs to all who lived in it. Black people had been turned into semi-slaves and semi-colonial subjects in the land of their forefathers by oppressors who came from faraway lands, causing severe marginalization over many centuries. After much reflection, it truly saddens me that the ANC of today is not the once great movement that we loved and were prepared to lay down our lives for. Due to infiltration and failure of leadership, the ANC has been reduced into an organization that is hardly respected by those that swore to liberate, serve,